Hello and croeso. This is a special edition responding to all the questions and comments I've had recently. First of all, I'd like to say sorry it's taken a while since my last upload. Real life has gotten in the way, but I'll try and make it more regularly in future. Okay, so on to those questions. Okay, WDZ88 asked if I could translate the Welsh form of Wilhelmina in Dutch, from Dutch to Welsh I think. And as far as I know, there is no Welsh form of Wilhelmina, but the Welsh form of William is Gwilym. So it'd be similar to Gwilym. Okay, next one. Okay, 7 Charmaine is asking if I'll go a bit more in depth because I assume it's a she, is learning Welsh in school. The answer to that is maybe, but I'm starting off with the basics first. I don't know how long people will be interested in this, so I guess I'm going to just carry it while people are watching. I'll keep recording, so stay tuned. Oh, I just want to point out that 2Tellies12 also asked if I was going to go more in depth. So yeah, see the previous answer. Only time will tell. Okay. Right. Emily Jane Howells, 87, asks if I'm from North Wales because some of the words she didn't recognise. And yes, I am. I'm from North Wales. There are subtle differences between North Welsh and South Welsh. If people really want me to go over them, I can, but they tend to complicate things. More feedback I've had from the numbers, is, apart from the fact that the upload was a bit messy, was that the dwy and die were confusing. So I'm going to try and simplify things from now on. If things get too complicated or you want me to explain something again, just ask. Okay? So until next time, which hopefully will be very soon, hwyl.